What's up guys, welcome to OMG. Today we'll be seeing how to create a free website plus free domain name for lifetime. And isn't that idea really great? You don't have to know any coding, you don't have to invest anything. You can actually design a beautiful website for free for lifetime. And let's get started. So here is the website that I have told you, Pro Free Host, which will offer you free hosting, free domain name, and it's for lifetime free. You don't have to pay anything. They will be providing you all the tools, and they will be hosting your website. It will be 99% uptime they have. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to create that free website. The website you are creating with this one is like they won't force any ads on your website. It will be completely free, completely customized as how you want. You can customize it, and also you can create n number of domain names and websites. There is no limit, so it's 100% free. You can try upon this one. This is safe and this is really easy. You don't have to do any coding, simple website builder. So I think this is really great to try. So first what you have to do is click on create account. But before that, make sure you sign up in this website and log into your account. You'll be for free domain, you will be provided with a subdomain of UNAUX or EZYO. Click any one of the subdomain, or if you have a custom domain, click on the custom domain option. You have to paste these to the domain name servers when you are purchasing a domain. Free domains are also available outside. Domain name registrar are there, like Freenom. You can get free domain name for a year, and then you have to pay for that. But this one is like completely free for lifetime. But this one will be having that subdomain UNAUX, and you will be entering your main domain, the primary domain. So I am going with online money goals. So my whole URL will be onlinemoneygoals.unaux.com. Now just click on verify. Verify with your CAPTCHA. Now click on the tick button. You will be redirected to the dashboard and click control panel. Now give I approve. You will be redirected to the control panel, and here you have to select Softaculous website builder apps. Actually it's like an app store. How we have app store for Play Store for Android and app store for Microsoft, same way you have app installer. So Softaculous app installer, click on that. I'm going with WordPress. WordPress will be really professional and looking good, so I'll be choosing WordPress, but you have lots of apps available. I'm installing WordPress. Will be now installed. Click on install at the bottom of the page. Now this will take some time. So here it is. We have successfully installed WordPress. Now we don't want that Softaculous or other cPanel tabs, so I'll be closing those things. Now we are in WordPress. This is not wordpress.com, this is wordpress.org. We don't have to install it in our system, or we don't need any other apps to be installed. We directly can access from WP admin. If you want to access WordPress, type in your URL, website URL /WP. Now I'll be installing Astra. Astra is a website builder. It is really good. It has many themes and templates available. So install Astra. From the plugins, can you see the plugins tab? So in that, add new and add Astra. After installing, click activate. Now I'll be clicking on to see library. See, I have 4 different website builders. I'll be clicking on to Elementor. You can choose any of them, Beaver Builder, Gutenberg, Britzy, or anything, but I'll be choosing Elementor. Elementor has a really professional grade website templates, so I'll be choosing any one of them. You have many websites based on your category, e-commerce or a blog or a business. You have based upon that. Can you see that agency tag on above few websites? So those agencies are pro version. You have to buy the pro version to get the bundle. I have chosen a theme and I'm installing it. The whole site is importing, so this will be taking a lot of time. You can actually import the whole site, or you can import just a single page, so that depends upon you. So before this one gets finished, if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. The theme is still activating. If you have any other doubts while doing this one, please comment it below. I'll answer as soon as possible. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure that you share with your friends. With this free blog, you can monetize even with Google AdSense. So this is a great way to earn a lot of money from your blog. Yes, now the import is completed. Now click on view site. Can you see my site will be looking like this? I can edit everything, but one important thing I have to mention is you won't be able to edit the background images, because background image can be edited only with pro version of Elementor. As we are using the free version, we won't be able to edit any images. We won't be able to even replace the background images. Background image will stay as it is. we can just edit the text and other buttons like the services tab and other things I can edit, or I can even add images, but I cannot edit whatever it is present on the website. So if you want, you can add image, or if you don't want that, you can delete it. You can customize the home page as however you want. You can edit the text. Click on the text and you will see the display. You can change the font style, you can change font size, everything. Now I will be editing the description. Now clicking on to the service, this is like a button. You would have seen this in other websites also. When you click on a button, it will redirect to a URL. So I will be redirecting it, making it to redirect to my YouTube channel. So I will be pasting the YouTube URL in the link. I can even add a few elements. So icon library is already existing in that panel. So I'll be giving YouTube icon, and I'll leave the about us as how it is. See, you can change the name and title of everything, but you cannot change the image or the background which is already present on the website template. But as far as I know, this is the best way to get a free website. I think for a free website, this is very much professional and really great, because even other free websites like Blogger and WordPress.com will only give you very basic and minimal opportunity to use it. You cannot even monetize WordPress.com unless you get a pro version. So I think with a free version you can do anything, like you can earn a lot. Your website will also be looking so professional, and it will be really aesthetic. As you can see on the Elementor tab on the side, only few options are available on free version. Other things are locked under pro. You have to buy pro version in order to edit your complete site, and even background, everything. If you want to change it and if you want to complete the whole website, you have to buy a pro version. As far as I know, for a free version, this is very much comfortable and easy, and it's great. And click on publish, your website will be online. And if you want to edit more, you can click on to the edit with Elementor tab, you can see on the top. So this is how my website will look like. If you have any doubts, comment it below. I will answer your questions as soon as possible. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Meet you all in the next video. Until then, bye and thank you.